Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of high-end bathroom upgrades with what we believe is the best dual-head combo shower head on the market. The HammerHead Shower's solid metal dual shower head combo in a sleek chrome finish. If you're after luxury, performance, and durability, stay with us for the next few minutes as we break down why this is a game-changer for your bathroom. Let's start with the build. This is no ordinary plastic shower head combo. HammerHead Showers has crafted this unit entirely from metal, both the 8-inch rainfall shower head and the handheld unit. The all-metal construction gives it not only a premium look but unmatched longevity. The chrome finish complements any modern bathroom design and resists corrosion, fingerprints, and water spots. You're investing in a product that's built to last. The overhead 8-inch rainfall shower head provides full body coverage with high flow output, creating that hotel-like spa experience right in your home. Meanwhile, the handheld shower head delivers strong water pressure even with lower household water flow. The 6-foot metal hose gives you excellent range of motion, whether you're rinsing your hair, cleaning the tub, or helping kids or pets. This dual shower head combo is designed for easy DIY installation. It comes with everything you need, including a 3-way diverter so you can switch between the rainfall head, the handheld unit, or use both at once. The bracket is also made of solid metal, ensuring a secure, wobble-free setup. No plumber required. Just a few minutes of your time, and you're good to go. This is ideal for anyone looking to elevate their daily routine. Whether you want the gentle luxury of rainfall, the precision of a handheld, or both at once, this combo lets you customize your shower every day. It's great for families, those with mobility needs, or anyone who simply wants the best dual shower head combo available today. What really makes this combo stand out is the HammerHead Showers brand. Known for its commitment to all-metal, high-performance fixtures, they offer industry-leading quality. This is not just a product, it's a statement piece for your bathroom. It's also backed by their limited lifetime warranty, offering peace of mind for years to come. To wrap it up, the HammerHead Shower's solid metal dual shower head combo offers everything: durability, power, elegance, and ease of use. It's the best of both worlds in a single package. If you're ready to transform your shower experience, check it out using the link in the description. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews, and let us know in the comments what you'd like us to review next. See you in the next one.